Security for Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has been strengthened after intelligence input warned of a possible threat. Following information received by the Union Home Ministry, additional security measures were put in place late Friday night in both Bhopal and Delhi. In Bhopal, extra police barricading has been done around his B8 residence at 74 Bungalow area. His official residence in Delhi has also seen enhanced security arrangements. Reports suggest that Pakistan's intelligence agency ISI has shown interest in gathering information about the minister. Central security agencies reviewed his protection cover and advised adjustment to prevent any untoward incident and ensure his safety at all times. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav on Saturday laid the foundation stone of the Vikramaditya Gate on the Bhopal-Indore State Highway. The gate will be built on the lines of the famous Vikramaditya Gate in Unjair. During the event, the Chief Minister also announced renaming Fanda area as Harihar Nagar. Addressing the public, he appealed to people not to waste money on death feasts and lavish weddings. Sharing a personal example, he said he himself organized his son's marriage in a mass wedding conference. Quoting Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he said, "Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas must be shown through action, not just words." Public Works Minister and Chhindwara District in Charge Minister Rakesh Singh said the Madhya Pradesh is moving ahead of many states in terms of investment and employment opportunities. On Saturday, he chaired a meeting of the District Development Advisory Committee at the Collector's office in Chhindwara. The meeting reviewed ongoing development works, progress of government schemes and administrative arrangements. After the meeting, addressing a press conference, the minister highlighted the achievement of the state government and outlined future development plans. He said continuous efforts are being made to improve infrastructure, attract new industries and create jobs for youth, ensuring balanced and inclusive growth across the state. The Madhya Pradesh government has taken strict action against IAS officer Santosh Verma, who is also the president of the SC/ST Officers and Employees Association (AJAX). Verma had allegedly used objectionable words regarding Brahmin daughters and accused the High Court of preventing SC/ST candidates from becoming civil judge. The state government has now sent a proposal to the Department of Personnel and Training at the center seeking his dismissal from service. After this move, members of the Savarna community postponed their planned protest outside the CM house for 10 days. The protest was earlier scheduled for Sunday but has been temporarily called off. A disturbing video has surfaced from the Dima Khera area of Katni district showing goats eating food alongside children inside an Anganwadi center. The center is reportedly being run in a dilapidated private building. The visuals highlight serious negligence and poor infrastructure at the Anganwadi, raising concern about hygiene and child safety. After the video went viral, the authorities took note of the matter. The notice has been issued to the concerned supervisor seeking an explanation for the lapse. Officials said further action will be taken after inquiry and steps will be ensured so that Anganwadi services operate in safe and proper conditions for children. The biggest insurance settlement in Madhya Pradesh so far was recorded on Saturday at the National Lok Adalat held in the District Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission Bhopal Bench 1. Axis Max Life Insurance Company and the complainant reached a full and final settlement of Rs 1,79,20,000. The commission ordered that the settled amount be deposited into the nominee Pradeep Kumar's bank account within 5 days. This case is being seen as a major example of quick and effective dispute resolution through Lok Adalats. Officials said such settlements help reduce long legal battles and provide timely relief to consumers. Cold conditions in Madhya Pradesh have intensified with the state witnessing record-breaking winter temperatures. Indore experienced its coldest night in the last 10 years, matching the temperature of Panchmari, the state's only hill station. This unusual situation highlights the severity of the cold wave. Meanwhile, the mercury in Bhopal has dropped below 7 degrees Celsius, making nights extremely chilly. Weather experts say cold northern winds are the main reason behind the sharp fall in temperatures. People are advised to take precaution, especially children and elderly citizens, as the cold spell is expected to continue for the few days across many districts.